Hi everyone, Paul down here at CCRV. I'm just doing a short video here. We're delivering this Flagstaff, which is in the back there, if you can see it. We're taking it to a self-build. It's one where we hire them out, so we're going to do a short video now on what we do really, hiring out fifth wheels, and I'll give you the whole rundown of how we take them off the truck, driving, that sort of stuff. You can have a look around the site, we've got plenty here, so if you're in the market for a fifth wheel or you want some information on fifth wheels, come and give us a look. Here we go, Flagstaff, the CCRV, there you go, can't go wrong. There you go, there's the unit. Right, I'm the driver today, let's get out on the road. Tight little road here, just ambling along, plenty of building sites. What village are we in? Is it Bayton or somewhere?
Yeah, near Bayton. This is Bayton. Big at the moment.
There you go, he's getting the truck ready and we're going to back it in. This guy's renting it for self-build, and this is the self-build he's doing, an old vicarage. I better go back and give Ashley a hand now so we can start getting told off, but that's where it's going to go basically. So we're delivering this one for self-build. There we go, right, let's go and see what we're doing, give Ashley a hand. Bogged down. He's getting bogged down in the thing. You'll have to go and get a run up, Ashley. Get a bit of a run up. You have to go, give it a little bit of speed. That's it, we're up. We're in, that's it. See the furrows he just dug in the ground? Right, that's it. That's it, Ashley. Right, where do you want me to stand? Because there's sand the other side. Look at that, that's pushed that up through there. Good old Dodge. Yeah. Yeah, we're getting it in there. Yeah, we've just got that one in there. That was a tight old delivery, that was. So you do need one of these Dodges just to get these in these tight spots. Well, I think we're going to get it over there. We're going to just put it here, actually. Or where's he want it?
Ideally around this side.
Oh, I'll just swing it round there then.
Yeah, I'll put it round there.
Swing it round there.
So what I'm thinking, we'll spin it round there now. We'll try and get onto here so it's actually.
We're just going to put it here, I think, on this bit of ground here.
Here, to be honest.
Just back it in there. Hey?
Levelled off here would have been better.
If you're happy with putting it there, it's fine.
I'm just thinking for levelness.
Yeah.
And I think it would be better rather than dump right there in the way, to be honest.
Yeah, that'd be fine.
There we are. After a bit of debate, we're going to put it here. Well, actually, you can see what he's doing. So it was quite a tight turn, but this is us delivering them. So again, self-builds, granny annexes, ideal. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Helps us build the channel if you like these videos. Always a bit of action going on. I must go and help Ashley as I get told off. He does a brilliant job, so I'll just work out where he wants me to stand. Hold on a second, let's ask him. Where do you want me to stand, Ash? Can you see? Do you want me to stand on that side or this side? I'll just watch your back, yeah? Oh, there you are. I haven't been fired yet. Winding there. Excuse me. Just a little bit of the video showing us unhooking it really. Will that pull out, Ash, or shall I get in there and put it in reverse?
Just drop that back a little bit.
Yeah. We're just taking the pressure off the handle because that's why it won't come out. Right. Just took the pressure off of that. And that should come out there. There you go. So we can take the truck straight off. At all sorts of angles you can take the truck off. There you go. So she's off. Brilliant job. Just get it levelled up now. Let's get a little bit so we can see what we're doing. There, we're just doing a bit of a levelling up. And then we'll get the slides out and I'll give you a little tour of the inside. But basically we get it on site, set it all up for you, and then you've got to get some electricity and the drains and all that sort of stuff. I do believe these folks are going to be renting this one for maybe a year. Sometimes it's better to buy. It's all up to you really. But again, like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, and the more subscribers we get, the more interesting videos we'll do, just on something different really. Me and Avril are going out in the summer in one, just camping, so that'll be a laugh. Probably not in the Dodge, we're going in the Ranger. Just show you how once we've delivered them they expand. So the pods go out either slides, they go out either side. This one's the lounge. So we'll get that out and then we'll get the other side out. And that will give us the lounge and everything. Click, 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 that's all out. So let's see which one else is coming out. She'll trick me here. There you go, there's the other one coming out. See the seals unfold there? Let's say all bits of tin and whatever here, but you can see these are all these rubber things here, what seals the body. There, I'll bring that up there, let's see. That's the seals and it all comes out there. And then it seals again on these rubber things back here. Yeah, we got both out here. Look at that. How about that then? As I say, CCRV, Hire and RV, same company. We hire a lot out now. So it's really worked for us, but if you're in the market for something like this, give us a shout. But please like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us. As I say, the more subscribers we get, the more videos we'll do. We don't do it for money, we just do it for fun really. And just to give you a bit of info, that what a lovely spot that the guy's renovating this house here. Looks like he's got his hands full. It's a big job. I don't think it's going to be done in a few weeks, that's for sure. Well, about a year, 2 years maybe. And then you see the view out the back there, what a cracking view. That all open fields. So at the end of the day, it's probably worth the hassle. But thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Stay in tune, we try to do our best. See you soon.